And Marian here. Share ko sa inyo ang ating September haul. Anyway, yung September haul natin naging 3 siya. Yan. We have this. And yan. Because isa lang yung in-order natin but hindi naging available. So eventually, kung saan-saan inano ni Daniel ang aking mga order. So this is our first haul from Lazada. Yung mga art materials natin ang ating sinolo. So this is our first haul na kung marami naman tayo anong tawag dito? Our bubble wrap. I think this is our highlighter. Yan, mahaba siya yan. Yan, maganda sana siya para magamit natin sa ating art supplies. Ang ating doodling, coloring, kung ano-ano pa. Art journal, doodling. Watercolor, pwede rin natin siya magamit sa watercolors natin. To highlight ang ating mga watercolors. Ang hirap buksan ng ating marami yung plastic. Yan, buksan na natin. Thank you Daniel and Erica for my Lazada haul. In-order na, binayaran pa. Swerte. Lucky day. Ang hirap tayo. Try. Pag-muntik ng ano ating. Ayan. Highlighter. Although para siyang ballpen, pero nakalagay highlighter. So, this is our first haul, Lazada haul. Patayin mo yan. First Lazada haul natin for the month of September. So, ito yung second na dumating. I think this is the sketch pad. Kasi malaki siya, oh. So big. Yan. Puro mga art supplies lang in order natin. For our Lazada. And Daniel orders it for us. Wala tayong account. And then, for this one, ayan, siya na rin nag-pay. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa tayo binibigyan ng bill kung how much are we paying. Sagot na ba niya? So, ito yung sketch pad natin na malaki. Oh, this is big na. So, ayan. May watercolor and micron pen. So, from one store kasi siya. And the last one. Ito, this one. I think this is the calligraphy pens. If I'm not mistaken. Yan. Pang-relax po natin ang mag-artwork. Journaling. Yan. Colored pens din siya. Tama, color pen. Parang wala naman tayo order na color pen. Anyway, thank you Daniel and Erica for my Lazada haul for the month of September. Ayan, October na. Ayan ang ating Lazada haul. That's our sketch pad. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Ayaw gumana ang ating pen. Bakit kaya? It doesn't want to function.